No, and it's completely true. So I'm gonna I'm gonna steal your thunder here, Dan, real quick. So
No,
I want to give an example of what we mean by this too, and how we can help a business to not only obtain that capital, because a lot of times you need it. It's not a failing business like Brock stated. So, for example, when I probably a couple years ago, I used to own a couple gas stations. Back then, before the Fuse cigarette came out, we were a tobacco store. So a gas station usually makes money on the convenience store and not on the gas. So the gas, the goal is to bring as low the gas as low as possible. So you're able to bring the person in. Once they're in, they always try to get something. Now, fortunately and unfortunately for me back then, the store that we had was a tobacco main. So about 75% of all our sales was tobacco. Back then, when the fuse started to come out, then the sales on tobacco started to go away. Now I didn't know nothing about business credit. If I would have had business credit, then I would have some reserves. And that's what we teach people. Learn how to get business credit and have it, and not need it, then need it and not have it.
right.
So no matter what, when you actually sell tobacco, you sell it at a loss. So you sell it at 90% of what you buy, and then the company gives you a kickback at the end of the month with a 10% of revenue. So you make money, but you need to be able to know how to manage your money. You need to be able to know how to actually gain this capital in order for you to be able to invest it back into the business. But guess what? Once tobacco was not selling, we were still selling at a loss, and didn't help my ex partner. This is what Brock talks about. What's going on with you and partners? No, that partner that I had, he started investing money from the company. So we actually had to sell the company by the gas stations at a fire sale, and we had to sell the other one in order to cover all of our expenses.
Oof. Oof.
If Yeah, I know. So, but if I would have known more about business credit back then I would have had the grounds for me to be able to even buy the person out, just kick him out, and be able to invest back into the company because I knew how the business worked. So that's what we teach. Like I said, it's good to have it and not need it, and need it and not have it.